How to recover Google account. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video we will learn how we can recover Google account. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, you have to open up Google and in the search bar search for Google account recovery. Head over to the first link on your interface. After that, scroll down a bit and there is this link that says recover your Google account or Gmail. So tap on it. Once you're here, now you have to type your email or phone number that is linked to your Google account that you want to recover. So here I will add one of the Gmail that I want to recover, then tap on next. After that, it will ask you to enter your password. Since we don't know our password, we want to recover it, tap on try another way. And here it says you have to check your device, so it will send a notifications to your device where you're already signed in with your Gmail on the other device. So if you are in that situation, you could simply check your other device and then confirm it from there. But if you don't have access to this device as well, then tap on try another way. Now, depending upon your account setup, Google will try to verify your identity using your phone number. So a code will be sent to your registered number via SMS or call. Then you have to enter the code when prompted. So here you have to select whether you want to go with text or call. Choose one from here. If you select text, you will receive a verification code and you have to verify the code. If not, Google will call you with a number and that will verify you as well. So you can also choose call. But in case if you don't have your phone number, tap on I don't have my phone. And if you have added your recovery email, a verification code will be also sent to your secondary email. You could open up the email and enter the code. So in this way, you could recover your Google account. That's it and that's all for today's video. If this video was helpful and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.